Recently, 262 valid bird species were recorded, with 2 new species. Now Shennongjia has over 470 wild bird species. In recent years, Shennongjia has focused on world natural heritage site protection. Bird habitats continue to improve, populations increase, with forest coverage reaching 91%. Many rare birds breed here. 10 bird watching routes and 10 scientific education bases have been established. Shennongjia has become a natural paradise for bird watchers. The Chinese blue flycatcher and brown-headed thrush are the 2 new recorded species. Excitingly, the number of valid species recorded increased by 64 compared to 2019, demonstrating that Shennongjia is attracting more birds.